Welcome to Technology with AK, your go-to channel for everything tech and business, where we break down complex ideas into easy, actionable insights. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest online business models of the digital era, dropshipping on Amazon. Whether you're looking to start a low-cost online business or want to scale your entrepreneurial ventures, this video has you covered. From understanding the basics to exploring top suppliers, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to succeed in dropshipping. Let's get started. Introduction to Dropshipping Business Model. The dropshipping business model is a low-risk way for entrepreneurs to sell products without having to handle the inventory themselves. In this model, sellers partner with third-party suppliers, usually manufacturers or wholesalers, who store and ship products directly to customers. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its simplicity. A seller lists products on their online store, e.g. Amazon, and when a customer places an order, the seller forwards that order to the supplier, who ships the product directly to the buyer. Imagine running a shop without the hassle of maintaining stock or managing warehouse logistics. This model allows you to focus more on marketing and scaling your business rather than getting bogged down by operational issues like packaging and shipping. All you need is a reliable supplier and a good platform like Amazon to connect with potential customers. Basic working of dropshipping on Amazon. Dropshipping on Amazon works similarly to traditional dropshipping, but there are a few key aspects you need to understand. As a seller, you list a product on Amazon's marketplace without holding the inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier, usually at a lower cost, and have the supplier ship it directly to the customer. However, Amazon has strict policies regarding dropshipping, such as requiring the seller's name or brand to be on the packing slip and prohibiting the use of another retailer's name, e.g. Walmart, for fulfilling orders. To make the most out of dropshipping on Amazon, you need to carefully choose reputable suppliers that can deliver quality products on time. Delays or poor product quality can lead to negative reviews, which can damage your seller rating. Advantages of dropshipping on Amazon. There are several advantages to running a dropshipping business on Amazon. Low startup costs. Since you don't need to buy inventory up front, your financial risk is minimal. You only pay for the products when customers order them. Massive reach. Amazon provides access to millions of customers worldwide, giving you a vast platform to reach potential buyers without spending heavily on marketing. No inventory management. One of the biggest benefits is that you don't need to worry about storage or inventory management. The supplier handles all of that for you, allowing you to focus on optimizing your listings and driving sales. Scalability. Because you don't handle inventory, you can easily scale your business. You can list as many products as you want without worrying about physical storage space or handling a growing stock. Limitations of dropshipping on Amazon. Despite its advantages, dropshipping on Amazon has some limitations. Tough competition. Since it's easy to get started, many sellers flock to Amazon, resulting in a highly competitive environment. To stand out, you'll need effective marketing strategies and excellent customer service. Low profit margins. With so many sellers competing for the same customers, the profit margins can be slim. Prices often need to be low to stay competitive, which can eat into your profits. Strict Amazon policies. Amazon has specific rules around dropshipping, and failure to comply with these policies can result in suspension or banning from the platform. For instance, you must always be identified as the seller of record, meaning your name must appear on the packing slip, invoices, etc., rather than the suppliers. Dependence on suppliers. If your supplier fails to deliver on time or provide substandard products, you are the one who will face the wrath of customers and get negative reviews. Maintaining strong relationships with reliable suppliers is crucial. Dealing with account bans, managing multiple profiles, or getting flagged for suspicious behavior? I've been there too. But here's a solution. Go Login, the best anti-detect browser for multi-accounting. Avoid account bans. Bans are frustrating, especially when your accounts get flagged or frozen unexpectedly. With Go Login, you can create multiple isolated profiles, each with a unique browser fingerprint, avoiding the risk of suspicious activity that can lead to bans. It keeps your accounts, time, and money safe. Manage multiple accounts effortlessly. Tired of logging in and out of different browsers all day? GoLogin makes switching between profiles a breeze. Manage 5 or 50 accounts easily, all in one place. Stay undetectable. GoLogin's unique fingerprinting and proxy integration ensure that your online activities stay under the radar. No more getting flagged for suspicious behavior. GoLogin has been a game changer for me, making account management stress-free. Whether you're an affiliate marketer or social media manager, it fits perfectly into your workflow. Ready to get started? Let me show you how. Now this is the homepage of gologin.com, where you can click on Download GoLogin, and you will be taken to a page where you can download for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and more. You can select your operating system, and in my case, I'll choose Windows. Click on Save. Right now, it's downloading, so I will wait. Now I will open the file that I've downloaded. This will take me to the setup where it's installing. Now it's been installed. It will open automatically, and you need to give access by allowing it. Now you need to create your account. You can use Google to sign up. Select your Google account, then click on Continue. You'll see a pop-up to open GoLogin. Just click on that. Now it will ask your main reason for using GoLogin. You can choose any of the options like handling multiple social media accounts, connecting multi-accounts, ad campaigns, etc. In my case, I'll select e-commerce. Next, you need to tell them your role in the organization. In my case, I'll choose CEO or founder. Then it asks how many accounts you plan to use. I'll select less than 15 in my case. If you want to use their API, click yes. If not, click no. I'll select no. Lastly, it asks how you heard about GoLogin. I'll select Google Search. Now the GoLogin interface appears. Some presets are already provided. For example, Google. If I click on Add or Paste Proxy, I can set a proxy for it. For instance, if I select US and click on Run, Google will open with a US proxy. Moreover, you can add a profile. Select a name for your profile, choose a proxy from various countries, and click on Create Profile. Once done, if I click on Run, the browser will open with the US proxy. It also provides bookmarks and other features. If you'd like a more detailed video on this, let me know in the comments section. Until then, let's have a look at the last section, which is top dropshipping companies. When choosing a supplier for your dropshipping business, it's essential to partner with reliable companies. Here are some of the top dropshipping companies. AliExpress. A giant in the dropshipping world, AliExpress offers a wide variety of products at low prices, making it a popular choice for many sellers. Oberlo. Known for its seamless integration with Shopify, Oberlo allows sellers to easily import products from suppliers directly into their store. SaleWho. This is a directory of wholesale suppliers and dropshipping companies, offering a curated list of trusted partners. Printful. If you're looking to sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, Printful allows you to design products that can be made on demand and shipped directly to your customers. Wholesale2B. This platform offers access to millions of products from multiple suppliers, all through a single account, making inventory management easier for dropshippers. Choosing the right supplier can make or break your business, so it's crucial to research and find a partner that aligns with your business goals and customer expectations. By diving into these topics, you can build a solid foundation for understanding dropshipping on Amazon, while also being aware of the challenges and potential growth opportunities that come with it. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into Amazon dropshipping basics. If you enjoyed learning about the business model and how to get started, be sure to give this video a like. More content is coming up, including a step-by-step guide on setting up your Amazon seller account and payment methods. Let me know in the comments what other Amazon dropshipping topics you'd like to see, as your feedback shapes future videos. Plus, if you're curious about how I made this stickman animation, stay tuned. I'll be launching a free course that covers everything you need to create engaging animations like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with all the latest content. Thanks for watching Technology with AK, your hub for tech, business, and creative tutorials. See you in the next one.